the Trimaco Easy Floor Guard. It's basically a shoe cover, right? It's if you see inside, there's a roll of saran wrap in there. It covers a little pad. You have your blade right here, and this is how you raise and lower the blade. So one thing to note, before I show you how it works, one thing to note is that it's not roto-molded, was not designed for our industry. I don't even think they have contractors in mind when they put this together. It's iffy. So if you're an owner or an estimator, right, and you're putting this in and out of a car, no problem. If you're a technician, you know, and you're throwing this in the back of the van, it's just not going to last you longer than a day or two. I've had, like I said, I've had mine longer than a year, and even being careful, this blade broke, got stuck down, and I somehow got it up. I locked it in place, and luckily we were able to continue to use it. So it's really neat though. Comes in handy when you have your hands full. You set this on the inside of the door, and then you just kind of do what it says, right? Step, pull, tear. So you step, pull back, and then tear off. I know you missed that. Let me do it again here. Step, pull, and then tear off. And now your shoes are covered, right? And you can go on your merry way. So the cool thing I like about this though is if you miss something, you got to run out to the truck real quick and then come back. You don't have to take them off, right? You just run out to the truck, do your thing. You have it in your hand, go back in the house, step, pull, tear, done. And then step, pull, tear again, done, and you're golden. A lot of the time I'll bend down, I'll clean this up a little bit, you know, make that look nice, cover the edges, and you're good to go, right? When you're done, what I'll do is I'll take the edge and I'll just either fold this up. I'm not gonna be able to do it with one hand, but you fold it up, you know, crinkle it, whatever you gotta do, I don't care really. And it goes in there, and then you're good. This is a little pad, comes out, you can wash it, you take it off, there's a zipper here, throw it in the wash. Like I said, you have this little metal bar that gets stuck down. If you do lose that and it breaks, you're done. Like I said, you're gonna be stuck to a roll of saran wrap. But there you go, that's your roll. So when you run out, you just replace that, and you're good. Good to go. I've never replaced that, never. And it's lasted me a year. Granted, I'm the only one that used it. I didn't use it every day. I think honestly, everyday use, going in and out of the house multiple times, maybe 3 months before you have to replace it. But that's the Trimaco Easy Floor Guard. Got this on Amazon. It wasn't too pricey, especially in comparison to like boot covers. You don't have to worry about sizing or anything like that, and you're good to go. So if you like it, check it out. Just keep in mind, like I said, it's not the sturdiest thing. Here, I'll pick it up. It's not real heavy either. It's not real heavy either. But yeah, this is it.